this type of wood colored with white. It doesn't show nice, you know. It gives you want to have polish. Sort of polish.
Okay. Do you have the key for there? You see the rust in the windows? And you see this? The balcony? The roof on the balcony? That has to be removed and replaced. And the wood for the banister, removed and replaced. You can see the ocean right out the window. Open here, Tabu, open here. Tabu, open here, please. What's that? Oh, it's padlocked? The iron, this has to be replaced. This. You need anti-corrosion. Anti-corrosion. It needs to. It has to be replaced because once you start knocking off the rust, you're going to see the metal is completely rusted down, and it will be weak. And the top window, the top. Yeah, so the windows have to be. And this is master. Okay. If you can see the windows are rusty. Here, with the landlord, to do a walkthrough of what they need to do to make this place habitable. See the tiles, a huge slab terrazzo. This is a shared bathroom with the 2 bedrooms. It needs help, but it's not all the way bad. It just needs love. What's in here? Tabu? Here? No key? It's okay. It's okay. I'll see it another time.
It is an empty room for
towels. Oh, okay. Laundry room. Yes, I don't have to go right around this banister. Jackson, the banister replace here wood.
Change. Steps.
So banister. Banister. This, the wood.
Banister.
B-A-N-I-S-T-E-R. I-S-T-E-R. Banister. Why is this open? Water?
Water, yes. Yes. Water tanks.
Okay. It will need fumigation because you have birds and lizard and.
That is very, very important.
Very important.
Very important.
Yes.
Very important.
We have to replace these light fixtures.
So we look at the polish. Hizi kule umeweka white. White maana yake hiyo nini? Ubao ni cypress.
Can you open here so we can go up, please?
We use this because of the rusting.
No. Wait. Look, Rubama. This has to be replaced. This can't be repaired. The rust, that's beyond repair. That's beyond. Look up. See termite? Yeah, has to go. All across here, around the entire the wood. Robama. See this entire corner of the
Remote.
These, look here. These, yeah, look.
When you got the last
Yeah.
it's a roy.
It's completely eaten down. I know. So it's time now for repair. So this whole thing here has to come to all the outside structures.
All that long.
Yes, and this too, down, replaced. And power wash, so we'll go and sit now under the tree and make our list.
And this wall, when they come, others they remove the wall. So when you stay here, you go up there. Because that is also heavy.
Yes. I would put a gate there.
To get there. You invited us to.
I'll invite you. Yes, and the gate for the beach. Yes, the beach access. It has to go.
Have you ever been there?
Yes. Are you the only one who has a beach like that? Because they don't have the same sandy area that you have.
They don't have it.
No. Let me walk this way. Don't touch that. You'll get tetanus.
When it depresses you, then you get tetanus.
Aye. That's why he shouldn't touch it, so it doesn't scratch him. Malgoma? Mr. Look. Do you see it? Eaten down. Yeah. So the roof? Yeah. The ceiling and the roof. And the banister and some of these pipes need to be replaced. Look at this. Like this. Jackson. They have potential. It has potential. This has potential too. Okay. All right. I'm gonna stop the recording right here. It's, mhm. Yeah. So let's go to the tree.
Okay.
Yes, and we do our record. We do our list. Okay. Center.